Here we have a scikit-learn problem where we are given a training set consisting of the x variable or inputs and the corresponding y variables or the outputs that we use to train with. And then our task is to predict on this x test set, which are the inputs that are not used to train that we use to predict on. And this question specifically asks us to code in scikit-learn, which is a very popular machine learning library in Python. The nice thing about this question is that the API that scikit-learn follows is also used by other popular machine learning libraries such as Keras/TensorFlow. So if you like TensorFlow, it's a similar API for the part where you train and predict with your model. So let's get straight into it. This is basically an API problem. So from the scikit-learn library and from the naive Bayes package within that library, we're going to import the Gaussian naive Bayes model, which is one of many supervised learning methods that comes in scikit-learn. And creating a classifier is super simple. We just say classifier is a new instance of this Gaussian NB object. So to train with it, we call the .fit method, which we also call .fit in TensorFlow in. So train, we fit it to the training data, which consists of xtrain and ytrain. And then to make predictions on this held out test set, we just call classifier.predict, and that's about it. So yeah, scikit-learn is a very important library, and the API stuff that you learn with scikit-learn will extend to other machine learning libraries. Thanks for watching.